Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. We spoke enough about the Malabar exercise which happened recently along with the United States, Japan and Australia in the Northern Arabian Sea. I also uploaded a video about the participants list from each country, and you can find the video link in the above I button in the top right corner or in the details section of this particular video. The reason why I am talking about this Malabar exercise is due to the recent crash of MiG-29K fighter into the sea. These fighters were one of the participants of this particular Malabar exercise which happened recently. These fighters are operated on India's only aircraft carrier, which is INS Vikramaditya, and Indian Navy also plans to deploy these fighters on the indigenous aircraft carrier INS Vikrant, which is being built at the Cochin Shipyard Limited. Coming to the news of MiG-29K fighter crash, one of the Indian Navy's MiG-29K trainer aircraft crashed into the sea on Thursday, which is November 26, 2020. Post this crash, the rescue team were able to rescue one of the pilots successfully, but the other one went missing. According to Naval Force, it looks like this accident happened around 5 p.m. As of now, we don't have a valid root cause behind this accident and the investigations are underway. The officials confirmed that the MiG-29K fighter had taken off for a sortie from INS Vikramaditya, post which it crashed into the sea. The Mikoyan MiG-29K is a Russian all-weather carrier-based multi-role fighter aircraft which is developed by the Mikoyan Design Bureau. The fighter plane is different from the MiG-29 which is flown by the Indian Air Force. The aircraft has been modified for aircraft carrier operation by hardening the undercarriage. It also has much better over-the-nose vision to make it easy to land aboard a carrier at a high angle of attack. There are more than 40 to 45 MiG-29K fighters in Indian Navy fleet, and these are the backbones for them. Indian Navy have plans to induct another set of aircrafts via the tender which is yet to be finalized. The Navy is currently evaluating the responses to the request for information from Boeing with its F-18 Super Hornet and Dassault Aviation with its Rafale fighter jets. Both companies have stated that their jets can operate off the ski jump of Vikramaditya and even in the future of INS Vikrant. So that was an update on the recent crash which happened with MiG-29K fighter while doing a sortie from INS Vikramaditya. Let's pray that the second pilot too gets rescued very soon and no such accident happens in future. Thanks for watching.